Good morning, students. Welcome in my YouTube channel. And today I will discuss with you about the excretory system of human beings. It is up to class 10. And today I will discuss with you about the general organization of the kidney and the urinary system. In other words, you can say the anatomical parts also. So first of all, we will see the location of kidney in our body. So I will draw it. I am drawing a rough diagram of human beings. So here you can see this is the left part and this is the right part of this human, isn't it? Now the liver is present in our right side. This side liver is present, isn't it? And this side liver is not present. So this side the position of the kidney will be slightly lower due to the presence of a large liver, and we know that liver is the largest gland of our बॉडी, इजंट इट? लीवर हमारे बॉडी का सबसे बड़ा ग्लैंड है, ये हम जानते हैं, जिसके कारण जो राइट साइड का किडनी है वो थोड़ा सा नीचे हो जाता है. Now the ureter will come out. You can say this pipe like structure, we called it ureter, through which urine will come out from the kidney and they will meet in urinary bladder, isn't it? ये urinary bladder में जाकर मिल जाएंगे. This is the opening, and after that this is the urethra part through which urine will be excrete out from our body time to time, isn't it? So this is the external structure of the two kidneys. One is at right side, one is at left side, and it is near about our waist region, near about. ठीक है? So left kidney is slightly lower, sorry, right kidney is slightly lower than left kidney. Now I will write the name. This is the kidney, you know. I will write only K, but you will write in full as you will note in your copy. This is the ureter, I am noting it from you. This is the bladder, BLADDER, it is also written in your book. And this is the urethra. This is the urethra, isn't it? Now I will draw the ultrastructure of one kidney. So you can see here the ultrastructure. So first of all, you draw it from a dotted line so that confidence will be generated in your mind. After that you complete it. So now I will complete these dots. In this way, and after that this is the outer part. One covering is present in this kidney, so outer lining indicates the covering, that is the capsule. It provides protection to the kidney. और किडनी के ऊपर बहुत सारे फैट्स होते हैं, सो डैट जब कभी आपको पीठ पर चोट लगे, हल्का सा जर्क लगे, सो डैट दैट फैट विल एब्जॉर्ब दैट शॉक. And this is the ureter. This is the ureter part. And after that I will draw the internal structure. Internal structure, you'll see this pyramid like structure you will get. Again I will make certain dots so that the lining of the pyramids will be even. And now I will draw these pyramids. These pyramids like structures are present. You can see these pyramids like structures are present. Clear? And after that you will draw the like structure. This such type of structure you will see inside the kidney. Now those who have read about the kidneys already, one questions may come in their mind where the nephrons are situated. Definitely where the nephrons are situated. So you can see the nephrons are situated here. You can see here. This is the tubule part of the nephron. This is the tubular part of the nephron, and this circular structure is the Bowman's capsule where blood is filtered, isn't it? And these are the medullary rays I am drawing here. Medullary rays. Clear? Clear? So इन ईच किडनी 1 मिलियन नेफ्रॉन्स आर प्रेजेंट. इस तरह के एक मिलियन नेफ्रॉन्स ईच किडनी में प्रेजेंट होते हैं. और टाइम के साथ, एज के साथ ये जो नेफ्रॉन्स हैं ये डिजेनरेट करते जाते हैं, डिटोरिएट करते जाते हैं, खत्म हो जाते हैं. और इनके जगह पर कोई नया नेफ्रॉन्स हमारे बॉडी में, हमारी किडनी में फिर नहीं बनता है. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड माइनर कैलिक्स. दिस इज कॉल्ड माइनर calyx. This is the nephron. You can write nephron. This is the major calyx. Name is given major calyx. Major calyx. This is the renal cortex. This is called renal cortex. Renal is the adjective of the kidney. Renal cortex. So outer part of the kidney called cortex and inner part of the kidney called medulla. So outer cortex, then we called it, this part is called renal medulla. Inner part. Clear? Renal medulla. Then this is called renal pyramids. Renal pyramids. Clear? And this is the capsule of the kidney. Capsule of kidney. This is the capsule of kidney. Clear? Capsule of kidney. And this is the ureter. This is the ureter. So you can write, it is the figure में आप लिख सकते हैं, it is the general organization of the kidney and the urinary system. So you draw it. After that we will move towards the structure of the nephron. Understood? Structure of the nephron. So do it fast. So this is the Bowman's capsule I am drawing. This is the Bowman's capsule, cup like structure, and here at the neck part it is convoluted, wave like structure, right? So it is convoluted. And after that you will draw like this. You will draw like this. Again convolution. and then it will make a thin tubule we call loop of Henle. So this loop of Henle is formed. You can see this is the loop of the Henle, isn't it? And after that again the tubule's thickness will increase, and then it will come from here and it will pass from here. Clear? And it will make it will connect with the collecting duct. So this is the collecting duct that I am drawing. It is collecting duct where various nephrons, means all the nephrons will connect with this collecting duct. Clear? So this is the collecting duct that I have drawn here. So this cut part where other nephrons will connect, isn't it? Other nephrons will connect from all these junctions. Other nephrons will connect. Now I will write the name of the all parts. So this is the renal artery. From red color I am drawing. That is the renal artery, and this renal artery here make the network of blood capillaries. They make the network of blood capillaries. Clear? So we'll discuss in detail later on. So this is the Bowman's capsule. I am writing here. This is the Bowman's capsule. Bowman's was a scientist. He had discovered first. That's why name is given Bowman's capsule. And after that you see this is the proximal convoluted tubule, PCT, and this is the distal convoluted tubule. Same, that's why I've written CT. In short we write it PCT. Proximal means नजदीक वाला, किसके नजदीक? तो Bowman's capsule के नजदीक. Distal means दूर, तो किससे दूर? Bowman's capsule से दूर. Clear? That's why name is given like this. Clear? And this is the loop of Henle. Henle was again scientist, he had discovered. And this is the collecting duct. This is the collecting duct. This is the medullary collecting duct, we can write, because it is in the medulla region of the kidney. That's why name is given medullary collecting duct. Clear? And after that I will divide this kidney in two parts. From red dotted line I am dividing this nephron in two parts, because half part of the nephron is present in the cortex region and half part of the nephron, you can say some part, not exactly half part, some part of the nephron present in the cortex region of the kidney and some part is present in the medulla region of the kidney. That's why I have bifurcated this nephron in two parts. First part is present in the cortex, rest part is present in the medulla, isn't it? So this is the basic tubular segment of the nephron. So it is also called, it is this this is descending limb and it is ascending limb, you can say, because it is ascending. So we can say it is descending limb and it is ascending limb. So my dear students, please memorize the name of all these structures so that whenever we will discuss the mechanism of the filtration of blood, all these names will be included there and you have to recall it. Understood? So all these things, so in the captions you will write basic tubular segments of the nephron. And one important thing that is here, this part we called macula densa. So this macula densa role you will read in class 11. But if anybody wants the detail, I can detail them personally, because sometimes complaints are coming from the parent side. Sir, you are teaching more, है ना, that is more than class 10. That's why I have limited my teaching, but I will discuss with you macula densa personally if you want. ठीक है. So this is all about the anatomical structure of the kidney and the unit of the kidney, that is the nephron. I hope you have understood. Thank you very much. So please subscribe the channel. It will give me the positive feedback from your sides, and watch it completely. Thank you very much. So once again, I request, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.